Hello, welcome to Datsun Kitchen. Today we are making a delicious zucchini soup. Simple, hearty and perfect for any occasion. First, let's prepare the zucchini. Cut off the stems and ends and peel away any stained parts. Then chop the zucchini into 1-inch cubes. Next, chop up some fresh dill. It will add a nice burst of flavor at the end. Now let's get cooking. Heat up 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a pot. Once it's warm, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and stir until it's well combined and smooth. This will help thicken our soup. Gradually pour in 3 cups of milk while stirring continuously. Then add 4 cups of water and keep mixing. When the mixture starts to boil, add the chopped zucchini. Let the soup simmer for about 15 minutes or until the zucchini is nice and tender. Once the zucchini is cooked through, use a blender to puree the soup until it's smooth and creamy. Now it's time to season. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of dried mint. Don't forget the chopped dill for that extra freshness. Give it all a good stir. Let the soup cook for an additional 5 minutes, allowing the spices to blend beautifully. And there you have it, a warm, comforting zucchini soup ready to be enjoyed. Enjoy your soup as a light meal or as a starter before a more substantial main course. Either way, it's sure to impress. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Datsun Kitchen.